Magnolia flowers are known for their large, showy petals and sweet fragrance. They come in many colors, like white, pink, purple, and yellow. These flowers bloom in spring, often before the tree's leaves appear, making them stand out even more. Magnolias symbolize purity, strength, and beauty in many cultures. Did you know that magnolias are among the oldest flowering plants in the world? Fossil records show that they have existed for over 95 million years. That means magnolias were blooming back when dinosaurs roamed the earth. There are over 200 species of magnolias found in Asia, the Americas, and the Caribbean. Each species is unique, but they all share the same characteristic. They're large, striking flowers. One of the most popular species is the southern magnolia, with its glossy green leaves and creamy white blooms. Magnolias are not only beautiful, but also tough. They've adapted to survive in a variety of climates, from tropical rainforests to temperate regions. Interestingly, magnolias don't rely on bees for pollination. Instead, they've evolved to attract beetles, as these flowers existed before bees even appeared on Earth. Magnolias are often planted in gardens and parks because of their beauty and durability. They can grow into large, majestic trees or smaller, shrub-like plants, depending on the species. These trees are a favorite for landscaping and provide shade, flowers, and a touch of elegance to any space. Beyond their beauty, magnolias have also been used in traditional medicine. Magnolia bark and flowers have been used in remedies for stress, inflammation, and respiratory issues. Isn't it amazing how nature provides us with both beauty and healing? Magnolias remind us of the timeless beauty of nature. Whether you admire their flowers in a garden or marvel at their ancient history, these plants truly deserve a place in our hearts. Thank you for joining me on this short journey into the world of magnolia flowers.